Hi, I'm Zach. I have all these questions running through my head about this baseball game I went to last night. Which player had the most runs? How long did the baseball game last? What was the lowest scoring inning? How many hours of practice did they have each day this week? My dad told me that some of these are statistical questions. But how can I tell the difference between a statistical question and a regular question? A statistical question is a question that anticipates the answers will vary or be different. This means it is a question with more than one possible answer. For example, what state do you live in is a statistical question. There are 50 possible answers. What state is made entirely of islands is not a statistical question. Hawaii is the only answer. A statistical question is answered by collecting or looking at a set of data. I need to identify whether a question is statistical or not statistical. The first question is, when was the White House built? To decide if this is a statistical question, I have to think about what type of answer or answers will satisfy this question. There is only one date when the White House was built, so this is not a statistical question. It does not refer to a set of data that varies. Let's look at another question. How many points are scored by a team in a soccer game? How many answers could this question have? The number of points scored in a game can vary, so this is a statistical question. What about the question, how much does a hamburger weigh? There isn't a standard weight for a hamburger. Some restaurants sell small hamburgers, and some sell huge hamburgers. Plus, if you make a hamburger at home, you can choose to make it any weight. Since the weight of a hamburger can vary, this is a statistical question. Let's look at one more question. How many ounces are in a pint? A pint is equal to 2 cups, or 32 ounces. These measurements do not vary. They are always the same. This is not a statistical question. It does not refer to a set of data that varies. Okay, now that I know what a statistical question is, I can start to sort out all these questions in my head.